Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this week, our discussion topic is algorithm and making sense of data. That's a very important topic to us because as we are using several social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and also streaming platforms like Netflix, Spotify. So it's very important for us to understand that as several ads, reels, videos, or content randomly coming in our timeline, if there any tools are intentionally organized it for us or not. So that's basically the work of algorithm. It's a set of rules and instructions. Based on these, each platforms shape our timeline what we will watch. So think about it that you are searching anything in Google or YouTube, your favorite song or any types of song, then you will notice that these types of song they are recommend for you. And Netflix, if you search a romantic film, then a lot of romantic film or dramas they will suggest for you. And if you search anything in clothing items or cooking videos on streaming platforms or social media platforms, then can notice these types of videos content they are preferring for you. So that's not basically happened with random choice. It's invisible structures which organized by each platforms based on your using behavior. So what types of post you are liking, what types of content you are reacting, and what types of content you are sharing. So likes, comment, share, and how much time you are spending on what types of content. Based on these information, basically platforms shape your interest, learn your ideology, and create a echo chamber based related content and reinforce your ideology and thinking. So this algorithm basically not interested on accuracy of content. It's focuses on engagement. So when one content go through social media platform overhyped and viral in a second and became popular among audience, that doesn't mean it's true. It's accurate. It's actually the game of algorithm. So we notice sometimes as traditional media or authentic media sources spreading some information which is calm and fact, but it's not much viral among us. But some this misleading information it's go viral among us because of this algorithm rule, because they as their intention is to engage more audience, they always focus on the making content that this emotional, which will engage more people and will focus filter bubble and the demographic issues, and based on this which content are spreading on social media platforms, and we actually used to watch these types of content a lot. For example, I can say that if I have one ideological belief about any party political leader, then any types of content if they spread on social media platforms without any fact check, without any judgmental, I will believe that and I will share. And this share basically it's I can say it's confirmation bias. So this algorithm playing a dominant role among us that are main cause this confirmation bias and cognitive shortcuts tendency of audience. That's a very important part as we have some beliefs, we are from one geographical pattern, and we have a lot of interest. That doesn't mean that other argument is not true or this is true. And so as algorithm plays uh, rule and work with our personal information. So we always have to care about it, that as even though this information, this political information confirm our pre-existing beliefs, it's, we have to fact check, we have to think that this source is correct or not. Sometimes some social media platforms just present a percentage, but that doesn't mention that the whole population, that the sample size, who are the participation or that. So if any types of hate speech or crime speech or any political speech spread in social media platforms based on percentage, based on filter bubble and your beliefs, then you have to rethink about it, that okay, is it correct or not? This percentage as mentioned the sample size or participants background or not? This statistics is correct or not? Which source they mention, is it correct or not? So before sharing, before liking, or before commenting positively about any uh, post, we have to rethink and we have to check the information's authenticity. And another thing, in website, when we search any article, definitely if you search anything, you can notice that accept all cookies or these types of checkboards we actually find. So always we have to care about it also, that because by these accepting cookies, allowing others apps or websites that allow our personal information. So in this way actually we are spreading, we are selling our personal interest, personal information, our background knowledge. And by liking, sharing and commenting on any post, we are actually spreading our personal interest, our mentality with platforms. So we always have to care about it, which we are sharing, which we are learning. Sometimes as time shortcut purpose, we don't focus on it, but definitely as a middle student we have to focus on it accurately, to be safe and to be ensured using the social media platforms in a neutral based way, and avoid their intentional harm, spaceships and others harmful activities. That's all. I think you will learn more about algorithm and they are setting policies and this data manipulation, how actually they spread information and created engagement so quickly about any political or any types of war issues. So it's a very important part which every students, every persons have to know. That's all, and I will you all the best for this week's psychology, and be careful to make your discussions so probably. So thank you so much.